Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. Previously stock was trading in range and after breakout sharp movement seen and same can continue, can go long with stop loss of 7 to 8 points. On daily chart gave breakout of resistance area, can go long above 1630 with stop loss of 10 to 12 points. Stock trading near resistance zone, trade on breakout with stop loss of 12 to 13 points. After sharp upwards move stock retracing at 50% Fibonacci, so upward move can continue, can go long with stop loss of 13 to 15 points. After sharp upwards move stock retracing at 50% Fibonacci, so upward move can continue, can go long with stop loss of 8 to 10 points. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.